Most people use AI completely wrong. They treat it like Google on steroids. Type in a question, get an answer, done. Transactional, shallow, and honestly, kind of disappointing. But here's the thing, Claude AI from Anthropic isn't designed to be a search engine. It's designed to be a thinking partner. And there is a completely free certification that teaches you exactly how to collaborate with it. I'm Vitus DK from learnitfree.com, and in this video, I'm taking you inside Claude 101, Anthropic's foundational course that's helped thousands of people move from prompting to truly collaborating with AI. And yes, you get a certificate at the end, completely free. Let's dive in. Claude 101 is exactly what it sounds like, your introduction to everything Claude. But unlike random YouTube tutorials, this is a structured course created by Anthropic's education team. It's hosted on Skilljar, which is a learning platform where you can track your progress, take quizzes, and earn your certificate. The whole course takes about 1 hour, but you can go at your own pace. The curriculum is broken into 5 sections: Meet Claude, organizing your work, expanding Claude Switch, putting it all together, and the conclusion with a certificate. Let me show you what you learn in each one. First up, Meet Claude. This section answers the most basic questions. What is Claude? How is it different from other AI assistants? And how do you actually have your first conversation? Here's the key insight they teach. Claude is a reasoning engine, not a fact database. That means it's designed to think through problems, not just regurgitate information. You learn about Claude's strengths, unprecedented versatility across domains, deep context retention within a conversation, and its boundaries. Like knowledge cutoffs, which means Claude needs web search to gain access to recent events, as well as hallucinations, which happens because it's probabilistic text generation. The goal here isn't to memorize features, it's to understand what kind of partner you're working with. Module 2 is where things get interesting. This is about projects and artifacts. Projects are self-contained environments where you can upload internal documents to create a persistent knowledge base. Claude uses something called Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG for short, to instantly reference these specific contexts across all chats in that project. So, imagine you're working on a grant proposal. You upload your organization's guidelines, past successful proposals, and style guidelines. Every time you chat in that project, Claude already knows your context. You don't have to re explain everything. Then there's artifacts, which is Claude's way of creating content right in front of you. Code, documents, analysis, it appears in the window next to you. You can edit it, refine it, do as you please. And there is skills. Skills are reusable markdown instructions that Claude automatically applies to the right task. You create a skill once, like always format responses in this style, and Claude remembers it across conversations. In module 3, we are expanding Claude Switch. This module is about making Claude useful in your actual workflow. They cover 3 main areas: connecting your tools, enterprise search, and research mode. Now, connecting your tools is through something called the Model Context Protocol, MCP. We actually have a whole separate certificate on this. But the basic idea is you can connect Claude directly to Google Drive, Linear, Slack, and local code bases. Instead of manually uploading files, Claude pulls live data automatically. Enterprise search, on the other hand, is exactly what it sounds like. If you're on a team plan with Claude, Claude can search across your organization's knowledge base. And research mode is for deep dives, when you need Claude to methodically explore a topic, pulling from multiple sources and synthesizing information. In Module 4, we have Claude in action. This is the practical application section. They walk you through use cases by role. For instance, if you are a marketer, use Claude to brainstorm campaign ideas, draft copies, and analyze competitor content. If you are a developer, use Claude to explain code, generate documentation, or debug issues. Now, if you're a student, use Claude as a study partner, not to write your papers, but to help you understand difficult concepts. They also cover other ways to work with Claude: the desktop app, the mobile app, the API if you're building applications. The final module, Module 5, covers the conclusion and certification. It wraps up everything and points you to the next steps. There's a short quiz to test your understanding. Nothing too difficult if you've been paying attention. And then, certificate time. You get a completion certificate from Anthropic that you can actually add on your LinkedIn, just like I did. Include it in your portfolio or just frame it digitally on your wall. The certificate shows you've completed Claude 101 and understand the fundamentals of working with Claude. Before I show you exactly where to enroll, a quick heads up. You need to create a free SkillJar account, but SkillJar is just the platform that hosts Anthropic's courses. It's secure, it's free, and it tracks your progress. Here's the link in the description. Click it, create your account, and you'll see the course dashboard. Hit enroll, and you're in. No credit card, no hidden fees, just free AI education from Anthropic. Claude 101 is the perfect starting point if you're new to Claude or if you've been using AI and feel like you're not getting the most out of it. The course is built around a philosophy that I really believe in. AI isn't here to replace your thinking, it's here to amplify it. But that only works if you know how to collaborate effectively. Next up in this series, we're covering the AI Fluency, both the framework and the foundations, in one certificate, which introduces the 4D framework that every other Anthropic course builds on. You don't want to miss this. Hit subscribe, click the playlist below, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Fetus DK, and you already know.